Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can actually get a permanent link for your Discord server. So basically guys, as you can see here, if I right here and I click on this invite your friends, I will be having this link in here. So this link, if I send it to a friend and he joined the server, this will be changed or deleted for him. Also, if you can read what is in here, they say that your invite link expires in 7 days. Well, let's say for example that you have really good server and it has so many people, but the only thing that is wrong with it is still lacking the permanent link and you can't really find how to make it. In this video specifically, I will show you how to make a permanent invite link for your Discord server. So there will be one link that you can send it to anyone and everybody and post it even wherever you like, without the fear that it will disappear in several days. So first of all, I need you to do is basically you have to get Nitro for your own file or your own server. How you can get it, just go here, Nitro, and buy it's simply just a subscription. Right after that, you go to your server and you give it the Nitro. So you boost server. After that, you will find this option which is in your server settings, which is go down and here server invite link. So this is the custom invite link, which is you can unlock with boosting. So right after you boost your server, you will be able to make a custom invite link with the keywords that you want, with the words that you want, and it will be permanent. And the effect of it that it will be accessible by anybody and it will be publicly available for anyone. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually make an invite permanent link for your Discord server. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.